In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Cash App card using the Cash App app. If you have any questions throughout this video, please leave them all down in the comments below and I will answer every single one of them for you. Okay, so two things you're going to need: your Cash App app, and you're going to need the card that Cash App mailed to you. So first things first, go ahead and open up your Cash App app. And once you get there, it's going to take you to the main screen. Now, what we need to do is we need to hit that card down there at the bottom left. So we're going to hit the card. And right here, it's going to say Cash Card Delivered. So I need to activate it. So this is pretty simple, right? So we're going to hit the activate button, and I'm going to have this in my left hand. We're going to hit activate, and it's going to say position the QR code in view to activate. So here's the the QR code, excuse me. It's going to be right here in the little sheet that they mailed you with your card. So it's going to be right up there. That's what this QR code looks like. So all we're going to do is we're going to take the app and we're just going to hover it over the QR code. Look at that. It's going to read it. Boom. So Cash Card activated. Your Cash App card is ready to use. So we're good to go. It gives you your routing number, your account number, which I've blacked out, of course, so you guys can't see it. And then we'll go ahead and hit OK. So here we go. There's my Cash App card right here. I can go ahead and add some boosts to it if I want to start using it, but this thing it's ready to go. It's the glow-in-the-dark Cash App card, which this thing's actually pretty cool. But yeah, it's as simple as that. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down there in the comments below, and I'll help you out as much as I can. If you haven't done it yet, please do me a huge favor and smash that thumbs up button. And if you want more how-to content just like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Now, if you do want to know how to get a Cash App card, I did make that video, which I'll link down in the description or at the very end of this video as well.